Well, tonight we continue my interview with John Fletcher, the president of Lehigh Valley Hospital Hazleton. Last night, he focused on the improvements planned for the current hospital on East Broad Street and the Hazleton Wellness Center on the Airport Beltway. Tonight, he has more details on other improvements that are being planned, including plans at their facility in the Hazleton Shopping Center.
We have an express care as well as a pediatric practice located in Center City. And the express care has been extremely successful. But we think that it's important for us to continue to meet the needs of the Center City population. And so what we want to do in that location is expand there as well to include more pediatric coverage, as well as expand our service to include OB/GYN and to add either family medicine or internal medicine. And so we're excited about our ability to expand in the city and to provide additional services at that site.
And you told me you're also looking to recruit more providers.
We are, and so part of this plan is our ability to expand our provider base. So that's physicians as well as nurse practitioners, physician assistants. It's important for us to make sure that we recruit and retain talented staff that's going to serve the people of our community. And so it's a very aggressive plan, but over the next couple of years, it's our intent to go out and recruit just about every area: surgical, medical, primary care, OB/GYNs, orthopedics, you name it. We want to grow and add providers to our community, and that's an extremely important component. That's the foundation, and so we truly need to make sure we have the quality providers in order to provide the services that our community needs.
Finally, why was it so important for you to keep so many services right here so people don't have to travel to get them?
Well, you know, Hazleton has been so good to us, and so this is our service area. And again, when we looked at what was most needed for our community, we thought the facility, our hospital, is adequate. It's in a great location. We think if we can modernize it, I think it will serve us well in the future. But truly, like I said earlier, healthcare is moving to an outpatient setting. And we realize that in order for us to remain competitive in a marketplace and understand where healthcare is going, that the investment in that ambulatory strategy or outpatient strategy is critical to our success.
And when will we see the first, I guess, construction signs?
Well, so we're just really starting to deep dive into the programming part. And so in this month or early next month, we'll begin to put together the teams to say, okay, what specifically are we going to do at the hospital? Let's make sure that we cross our T's and dot our I's. You only get one shot at this. And so we want to make sure we do the right thing both at the hospital in Broad Street as well as our expansion in Center City and out at the Health and Wellness Center location. So we're really just starting the process. We're working very closely with our colleagues at the network, and we will have our teams in place and fully functional, I would say, in May. And then we'll have some more dates and timetables that we can establish that we think is realistic. But we want to do this sooner rather than later.
The healthcare changes that are planned for our area when John Fletcher will be a guest on the Sam Lassance Show later this week right here on SSPTV.